Today, we will be taking a look at the best treadmills to buy for home. And as usual, in the description below, we have the links to all the treadmills mentioned in this video. If you think we missed out any treadmills on our list, please let us know in the comment below. Be sure to subscribe for new content and drop a like below. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 5. Horizon 7.4 AT. If you're looking for a home treadmill that supports interactive training but doesn't break the bank, check out the Horizon 7.4 AT. It puts an unlimited variety of interactive training options at your fingertips. When different family members hop onto the machine, they can tune into their preferred interactive training app rather than being closed to one option. So, how does it work? Although it's a bring-your-own-tech treadmill, so you have to connect your own tablet or smartphone for interactive training, this is actually a good call on Horizon's part when it comes to value and versatility. Not only does it keep the cost down as you are using your own screen, but it also means that you can tune into any fitness app, including the Peloton app, on your own device. When using a third-party app such as Peloton, Daily Burn, or Active on the 7.4 AT, it's worth noting that you won't be able to see your real-time stats on screen. You can connect the 7.4 AT to the free AFG Pro Fitness app to control your treadmill from your tablet and monitor your stats from there, but the third-party apps don't interface with the treadmill. Although you won't have access to your real-time stats during the workout program on your screen, this is a sacrifice we're willing to make for the affordable price and the fact that you're not restricted to one app for interactive training. As well as unlimited interactive streaming options, which Horizon offers discounts on. Other highlights include an easy-to-fold frame, powerful 3.5 CHP motor, which can keep pace with interval training, a roomy 60-inch by 22-inch track, Bluetooth heart rate monitoring, and preset programs including Sprint 8 training program, a HIIT training program for runners. You get a lot of bang for your buck with the Horizon 7.4 AT, especially if you and the rest of your household members want to try a variety of interactive training apps. Number 4. Proform Smart Pro 2000. The Proform Smart Pro 2000 is the most affordable option in the Proform Pro series, and it's easily one of the best folding treadmills on the market. Proform is known for building durable and dependable machines, and the Pro 2000 is no exception. I like this treadmill because it offers a little more in the high-tech department than some of its competitors. If you are looking for a few features and don't want to pay for more, this is a treadmill you should consider. The Pro 2000 is more powerful and more heavy-duty than the 3G Fold Flat. It also has a lot more to offer in the tech department. This treadmill is very comparable to the Soul F80, with the exception of the warranty. I think the Pro 2000's warranty could use a little work, but otherwise it's tough to beat. The Proform Pro 2000 is a little cheaper too. I mentioned that this treadmill offers a few more features than its competitors in this price range. The Pro 2000 can incline up to 15%. This machine can also decline to -3%. This gives you the option of training downhill as well. This comes in handy if you are trying to replicate the feel of running outside on different terrains. The Proform Pro 2000 comes iFit ready. iFit is basically a library of unlimited workouts and personal coaching you can access on your smartphone, tablet, or compatible treadmill. You have to pay a monthly subscription rate, but it's optional. It's compatible with Google Maps as well. You can draw your route and send it to iFit. Pretty cool if you're into the tech stuff, but by no means necessary. One of the biggest benefits of the Pro 2000 is the fact that it comes loaded with 50 different workouts. With all the variety this machine offers, you are guaranteed to keep your workouts fresh and challenging for years. This treadmill also includes a chest strap heart rate monitor, a great little benefit. This is a very powerful treadmill with lots of workout options. If you're looking for a treadmill with a little more tech, this is a smart choice. Number 3. 3G Cardio 80i Fold Flat Treadmill. 3G Cardio is well known for making awesome running machines, but their Fold Flat model is a really unique folding treadmill. The majority of folding treadmills fold vertically, meaning the deck folds up to meet the console. Well, this treadmill does that, but it can also fold down to the ground, i.e. flat, as the name suggests. This is genius because you can actually fold this treadmill up and roll it under your bed for storage. You will notice this treadmill isn't quite as heavy-duty or as powerful as a Soul F80. I would guess they have to take away a little in these departments to make the frame foldable in two directions. The running surface is significantly smaller, especially the width, so this treadmill may be more comfortable for smaller users. It has a decent weight capacity and good warranty though. The 3G Fold Flat offers 12 total workouts, 8 standard and 4 custom. This machine does have a grip heart rate monitor, but it isn't compatible with chest strap monitors. Some of the other treadmills 3G produces are chest strap compatible, but again, I would assume they have to give up some hardware to make sure this machine can fold flat to the ground. The 3G Fold Flat does offer incline settings ranging between 0 to 15%. Combined with a max speed of 11 miles per hour, this treadmill is more than capable of offering a hardcore workout. If you are looking for a super folding treadmill, this is your best bet. It folds vertically and horizontally, making it incredibly easy to store. Number 2. NordicTrack 1750. The NordicTrack Commercial 1750 treadmill has been mainly designed for anyone looking forward to experiencing all forms of workouts from their home, such as jogging, walking, incline, and intense workouts, among others. This top-rated treadmill features a powerful 3.75 CHP smart response motor with a capacity to handle tough workouts. Suitable for long-distance and short-distance runners, and this means you can train indoors for your Boston Marathon, as well as walking exercises for new mothers while the kid is asleep. For the past decade, the NordicTrack 1750 treadmill has maintained the record as the best-selling treadmill due to several reasons. It has the most innovative features, like a unique level machine for NordicTrack's commercial chains of home treadmills. It has been ranked as the #1 home treadmill for indoor workouts due to the following reasons. Best value for your money and relatively affordable, going for less than $1,800, in addition to its recommendable power needed for most hard workouts such as marathon race training. This in-home treadmill also has an inbuilt iFit program that offers all solutions that make your workout much more interesting, in addition to the fantastic technology innovations. It also has 0% financing rates that are available for 36 months. It has seen many people cancel their annual gym membership subscriptions to buy this machine. The NordicTrack 1750 commercial treadmill is the overall best 2020 treadmill and the best-selling treadmill available in the market today. It features excellent features, high quality, and affordable prices when compared to the rest of the treadmill models. Number 1. Soul Fitness F80. delivering the right balance between commercial quality, a rock-solid warranty, and a sticker price that won't make your jaw hit the floor. The Soul F80 has worked its way into our top spot as the best overall home treadmill of 2020. The F80 is the brand's mid-range option between the entry-level F63 treadmill and their Elite TT8 and covers all the bases needed for most runners, joggers, and walkers out there. Its commercial-grade components are designed for durability, and it folds away easily, allowing you to reclaim more floor space in your home after every workout. It's also less expensive than our runner-up. Some of the Soul F80's stellar highlights include a roomy 22-inch by 60-inch running deck suitable for all the family, a commercial standard 3.5 horsepower motor which can support running as well as walking, and a power incline up to 15% to sculpt your lower body. For entertainment and workout stats tracking, you will have a 9-inch LCD display with 10 preset programs so you can diversify your training. There is also a built-in tablet holder to dock your device and Bluetooth connectivity for audio and stats tracking. Like to monitor your fitness progress? You can track your stats through the free Soul Fitness app and sync this workout data to your favorite fitness app like Fitbit, Record, or Apple Health. The F80 caters to a range of fitness abilities and types of training, so it's a solid option to bring home for all the family to enjoy. And a bonus option, the nordictrack T6.5S. The nordictrack T6.5S is the most affordable home treadmills that give you the best value for your money. Perfectly inbuilt features and regular workout sessions that ensure a productive workout. It is fortified with 20 built-in training programs from nordictrack meant for improving your cardiovascular fitness as well as increasing your calorie burn. However, this treadmill doesn't feature iFit but is compatible with many devices. Hence, you can connect with your phone. It also includes a reliable 2.6 CHP motor that supports jogging, walking, and running workouts for over 10 miles per hour to an individual with over 300 pounds weight capacity. The handlebars come with dual cardio grip heart rate sensors that enable you to screen your heart rate while working out effectively. This best home treadmill comes with an unlimited lifetime frame warranty, 25 years of motor warranty and parts, and labor warranty for 1 year. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below.